Alright, good morning kiddos. Happy Tuesday. I wanted to do a quick review over what you should be doing for your week. I looked yesterday on Canvas and saw several of you got on, which is great, but I saw a lot of you who got on didn't complete anything, so I want to do a recap on what that might look like. So I'm here on ClassLink. That's where you all start. We know that. Great. We're going to go scroll down to Canvas, and like I've said, you should see all of your classes. Now mine looks different, but yours should look something like this, right? So you should see English, Science, Math, Social Studies, Enrichment. You might have a PE, you might have an Art, you might have something else on there. So make sure it looks like that. If you're missing a subject, please let me know. I know my Science and Math wasn't working yesterday, so I'm hoping today it's working amazing. So I'm going to click here on Math. Excuse me. And this is what you should see when you open your math page. So hopefully yesterday you were able to get on and read this page. This is on every one of my classes, not Miss Hudson's but mine, just info. It gives you another quick overview of Canvas, my information, grades, and so forth. So then announcements, I don't have any announcements today for you, but I do have the week module. So week 1 is here. When you open up that module, this gives you everything for the week, and I broke it down by day. Go step by step. I didn't put numbers, so if you want me to put numbers, I will, but I think it's laid out pretty easily, right? So it says watch the welcome video first. That was the first thing. Then watch the following video to remember mean, median, and mode, and you can choose either one. So choose either Brain Pop or me. This was me doing a video. So choose your goal, whatever you wanted to do. After you watch the video, complete the discussion question. Now, whenever you see something like this, like I mentioned yesterday, it's a hyperlink. So that means it'll open up what you're supposed to be doing. So if I click Monday discussion, it'll take me to what it says and what I'm supposed to be doing. So I need to find the percent of higher scores higher than 80%. You need to click reply. You reply here with your answer and post reply. If you don't post it, it's not going to send it to me, so you got to 0 until I get something, right? So make sure you post a reply. I'm not going to right now. Then if I just click the back button, it'll take me back. Then it says next, go to the following link and complete the digital tools. Use the resources for help. So if I clicked that link, it'll open it up. It asks me to read this. Oh wait, look, there's the question, there's the question you were just given, and then it asks you to complete 2 of these interactive games and then show me answers. So after I completed this, I go back to my agenda and it says complete the assignment for Monday. So I'm going to click that assignment. It says show a picture of 3 graphs that you created. I got LaJordan's yesterday and it was awesome. Which graphs are you a pro at and which graphs are you not? So to submit an assignment, I'm going to click submit assignment. You can choose to upload a picture, and then underneath, just write what you're doing. So if I choose to upload a picture, I choose a file. I took the picture and saved it. I can't do this on my side, but you can. So I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to put, I like the bar graph, and line graph. Those are ones that I'm strong at. I don't like the dot plot or histogram. So that's answering my 2 questions and showing my picture. And then you submit assignment. Make sure you submit the assignment or it won't send it to me. So I can't, but you can. So then I'm going to click back after I submit my assignment. And my last thing was an exit. So yesterday you had 3 things that need to get done. You either have 2 or 3 things for me every day. But it's not hard. I'm not expecting you guys to spend hours on this, right? And this was a 3-question quiz. I had several of you do this, so that was good. Take the quiz, done for the day. So then today, if I go to week 1 agenda, you have a couple things. There's a video right here. Khan Academy, everyone should have this on their class link, and we've done this in class before, so all you should have to do is click this. Since you're on class link, click this website and then practice the problems. I asked you to either show me on a picture, write your answers down and take a picture of it, send it in, something like that. Now, here's something new today, a Quizizz. I don't know if this is going to work, so we're going to see if it works. If it doesn't work, please tell me, okay? Tell me, and we'll figure something else out. Just like you, I'm trying to figure out Canvas and make it as fun as possible, and I figured this Quizizz would be awesome. So if it doesn't work, though, let me know, all right? So have a good day. Again, let me know any questions. We're going to have a Zoom call at 3 o'clock. So get on that Zoom call. I'll send it out here in a minute. Bye.